Hi there, my name is Dimitri from Testimonial.to, and in this video, we're gonna dive into how you can actually create a really nice wall of love for free with Yelp. So for those of you that are unaware, we at Testimonial.to create wonderful walls of love and amazing testimonial videos and text spaces for you to add to your website, just like this one. However, if you're looking to try out a product just like this without needing to purchase it, what you can do is you can go to testimonial.to/tools and try out tools like our handy wall of love Yelp review builder. All you need to do is go to Yelp and say, for example, you have a really robust Yelp page. Let's go to a local cafe by me. Sweet Bean on Yelp is a pretty solid coffee shop by me in Chicago. So if I go here and then paste out this Sweet Bean business Yelp link in here and click that plus button, you'll see that it finds a match. And then from there, we can click fetch reviews, click build wall of love, and it adds those reviews here. And you'll see, look at this. It has a myriad of different reviews so quickly within here. So it is the top 2 Asian bakery that I go to here in Chicago. It's always packed on a weekend and you will need to wait in a line. The line does move fast though. This is really true. Some of these images are actually on here, which is nice. Very good sweets and bakery type stuff. I enjoy it on the weekends too, salad stuff. So this is one of my favorite spots in Chicago, but if I was them and I wanted to add it to my website, what I can do is I could simply change to the color theme that I'd want, copy this, and then go to a website builder where I can embed the code. Now let me just widen this and I'm gonna preview it on my website. Now let's check it out right here. This is awesome. All of these reviews, including their images, have it really quickly populated onto my website. The best part about this, in my opinion, is the fact that I didn't have to take much time to set it up. But what does draw back here is there's not much customization. You do have this watermark to showcase where the product came from, and it's just a little less professional. But if you want to try out Testimonial.to today, I would recommend you get that product quickly. And we actually have integrations like this built right into the platform so that you don't need to just use the free version. You can pay a little bit and actually have that customization to get rid of the below 5 stars on this list and really showcase the best testimonials that you get for your product or service or business. With that being said, I hope you go to Testimonial.to today to try out this tool and our product in general. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.